Alright friends, now let's take a look at the pop method in Python programming. So, the pop method allows us to remove an element from a list by specifying its index. For example, here is my list. The name of my list is H. So, if I want to remove the element at index 1, I can write here, instead of remove, I will use pop method. So inside the pop method, I just give index number. You see, it will be deleted the element at the index 1. If I run it, right click and run it, you see my list updated. Right now in my list, 10 and 30 exist. 20 is removed. Super. We need to know something about the pop method too. The pop method not only removes the element, but also returns it. For example, I come here, what's my removed element? Removed element. And then I say equal to 8.pop1. What does it mean? It returns 20 here. So if I want to print it here, inside the print function, if I write removed element, I run it, you see 20. You can store the removed value like this. Super.